Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 26th of February 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 26th of February 2021. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as Central Excise Day? Answer is option number 3, 24th February. Every year, 24th February is celebrated as Central Excise Day over the India, and this day is being celebrated to honor the service of the Central Board of Excise and Custom to the country. The day is celebrated to honor the officers associated with Central Board of Excise and Custom and their services. This is done to encourage the officers to carry out their duties with utmost sincerity. Answer will be option number 3. Next, who among the following has been appointed as the new leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha recently? Answer is option number 4, Mallikarjun Kharge. Look at the image. This is Mallikarjun Kharge, and recently he has been appointed as the new leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha following the retirement of Gulab Nabi Azad. Answer will be option number 4. Next, to promote research in health field in India, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has signed an MOU with which of the following institution? Answer is option number 3, CSIR. Recently, CSIR and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation have signed an MOU to promote research in health field in India. Various technological and scientific collaborations will be initiated to support and promote research conducted and developed in the country. The main focus of this MOU is just to develop and testing of new prevention and therapies to solve a number of health issues faced by the millions of people in India. Answer will be option number 4, CSIR. What is Bill and Melinda Gates? Bill and Melinda Gates is an American private foundation founded by Bill and Melinda Gates in 2000. It is reported to be the largest private foundation in the world. Primary goals of this foundation are to enhance healthcare and reduce extreme poverty across the globe, and to expand educational opportunity and access to information technologies in the US. And CSIR, long form is the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. It was established by the Government of India in September 1942 as an autonomous body that has emerged as the largest research and development organization in India, and president of CSIR is Prime Minister of India. Next, which of the following state has recently celebrated its Foundation Day on 20th February 2021? Answer is option number 4, 1 and 2. That is, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram have celebrated Foundation Day on 20th of February 2021. Answer will be option number 4. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Mother Language Day annually? Answer is option number 4, 21st February. 21st February is celebrated as International Mother Language Day, and it is celebrated to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and promote multilingualism. It was announced by UNESCO on 17th of November 1999, and theme of 2021's International Mother Language Day is fostering multilingualism for inclusion in education and society. Answer will be option number 4. Next, Manika Batra is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, table tennis. Look at the image. This is Manika Batra. She is an Indian table tennis player. She is the top ranked female tennis player in India, and recently she has won 82nd senior national table tennis champion, which has been recently organized in Haryana between 14th to 23rd of February 2021. Answer will be option number 1. Next, who among the following has recently launched Go Electric initiative in February 2021? Answer is option number 1, Nitin Gadkari. Recently, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has launched Go Electric campaign in February 2021, and this campaign has been launched to spread awareness on the benefits of e-mobility and EV charging infrastructure as well as electric cooking in India. Next, Dhammika Prasad has recently declared his retirement from all forms of international cricket. He belongs to which nation? Answer is option number 2, Sri Lanka. Look at the image. This is Dhammika Prasad, and he is former Sri Lankan cricketer who played all forms of the game. He is a right arm fast medium bowler, and recently he has announced his retirement from all forms of international cricket. Answer will be option number 2, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, look at map. This is Sri Lanka. Capital is Colombo and Sri Jayawardhanepure Kotte. President is Gotabaya Rajapaksa, and Prime Minister of Sri Lanka is Mahindra Rajapaksa. Currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan Rupaya. Next, Mahendra Singh Kanyal has been appointed as the new ambassador of India in which of the following country? Answer is option number 1, Syria. Look at the bridge. This is Mahendra Singh Kanyal, and recently he has been appointed as the new ambassador of India in Syrian Arab Republic. Answer will be option number 1, Syria. Next, who is the author of the book titled Indian Economy's Greatest Crisis? Answer is option number 3, Arun Kumar. Arun Kumar has written this new book titled Indian Economy's Greatest Crisis, and this book highlights the enormity of the impact of coronavirus pandemic on India. It critically examines the government's efforts to control the disease and mitigate its adverse effects on Indian economy and society. Answer will be option number 3. Next, who is known as the Metro Man of India? Answer is option number 1, E. Sridharan. Look at this. This is E. Sridharan, and he is known as the Metro Man of India. He is an Indian engineer who is credited with changing the face of public transport in India with his leadership in building the Konkan Railway and the Delhi Metro, while he served as the managing director of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation between 1995 to 2012. He was awarded with Padma Shri in 2001 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008. And he is in news recently as he has announced to join BJP. Answer will be option number 1. Next, Rama Joyce has recently died at the age of 88. He was the former chief minister of Dash. Answer is option number 4, 1 and 2. Rama Joyce was the former chief minister of Bihar and Jharkhand, and recently he has died at the age of 88. He was an Indian politician and judge. Also, he has served as the member of Rajya Sabha. Answer will be option number 4. Now, we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following state has become the first state in India to present paperless budget? Answer is option number 1, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Social Justice Day? Answer is option number 1, 20th February. India's largest hockey stadium will be built in Dash. Answer is option number 3, Odisha. Which of the following period has been celebrated as National Productivity Week 2021 in India recently? Answer is option number 3, February 12 to 18. Which of the following state government has launched free gift milk to girl student initiative recently? Answer is option number 1, Sikkim. Chief Minister of which state has recently been honored with Scotch CM of the Year 2020? Answer is option number 4, Andhra Pradesh. What will be India's GDP growth rate in the next financial year as predicted by S&P Global Ratings? Answer is option number 2, 10%. Name the indigenous messaging app launched by National Informatics Center as an alternative to WhatsApp and Zoom. Answer is option number 3, Sandesh. In which of the following state PM Narendra Modi has launched Mahabahu Brahmaputra scheme recently? Answer is option number 4, Assam. And last question was, which of the following state has become the first state in India to complete 3 crore COVID-19 test? Answer is option number 3, UP or Uttar Pradesh. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of yesterday's question. Question was, who has been recently appointed as the new president of Asian Cricket Council? Answer is option number 3, Jay Shah. Jay Shah has been recently appointed as the new president of Asian Cricket Council. Now today's question is, India's first dolphin research center will be built in Dash. Options are Bengaluru, Chennai, Mumbai and Patna. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.